This is called an external, and its mate is the internal. So the external lock washer has these little prongs on the outside. And if you look at them, they're a little bit bent. And when you put this on and then you put the nut on and you tighten it, the nut locks into these little prongs. And this is what they call an internal, where the prongs are on the inside, not on the outside, giving the outside a nice finish. Internal lock washer, external lock washer. There are different applications for these two type of washers. There's so many of them. You'll just have to decide which one works best for you.